Hey guys, so today I have this haul video for you guys of all this stuff that I've bought over the last few weeks. I just got back from Greece a couple of days ago, so I bought a few new makeup things from there, and I just want to show you guys all the stuff I've bought. Most of it is makeup, but there is a few other random stuff. So please give this video a thumbs up and enjoy watching. So when I went to Greece, I couldn't find any makeup shops really. We went to this one shopping center called MacArthur or something in Athens, which is the biggest shopping center thing they've got. And the only makeup place I could find was this Dust and Cream. I've never actually heard of Dust and Cream before, but it was all right. The stuff looked kind of cool. So I got this purple shade. This purple shade cost €2. I think it's quite nice for maybe to put in the outer V or whatever outer part of the eye, but you can use it all over. You can do whatever you want with it. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is what it looks like on my hand. I think it's a really nice just purple shade just to kind of deepen up. I could even put it on right now and just darken up the outer part of my eye. And yeah, I need more colors, so I thought purple's quite an adventurous option. I also bought this eyeshadow from the same place, but for some reason it has a different name. It's this blue shimmery thing. I don't know, I think it's really cool. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Whoa. My God. Whoa. That's so cool. I bought this so then, again, to be adventurous and to just chuck this one all over. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that shade. I also bought this Dust and Cream through the Prism palette. This costs €27, which I thought, It costs €27, which I thought is pretty good because usually eyeshadow palettes cost $80. So this comes with 8 eyeshadows in it, which I think are really pretty. I'll just swatch maybe this blue shade for you guys just to compare it to the one on my hand. So let's see. Oh my God. It's no pigment compared to that. Even when I rub it on my finger, it's nothing really. That's sad. Okay, I'll try another shade. I've got this shade there on my eye today, so I'll swatch that. There's the pigment. Whoa. And that's that. So I think this palette for €27 might be hit and miss. It might be that the darker shades are really good and that pale shades are really bad. Thank God I got this other blue, which was actually only €2, so I should have probably just got all the bright colors for €2 and it probably would have been cheaper. But yeah, oh well, too bad. Also in Greece, I went to the pharmacy. They've got a lot of pharmakios, which means pharmacy. They're just literally everywhere. So that's basically the only other place you can get makeup. I know they've got that Chorus brand, which seems quite popular, but this kind of caught my eye. It's the Apivida face mask with green clay deep cleansing. And there's a lot of instructions in Greek, but there's a few in English, so I'm just gonna work it out. I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to see if it can really cleanse the crap out of my face and get rid of the black shit on my nose. So fingers crossed. But yeah, it's probably not going to do anything because it was kind of cheapish, and it's just from the pharmacy that everyone can buy stuff from. And in Australia, if you go to the pharmacy, the stuff's average, whereas if you pay $90, you get the good stuff from higher brands that Maya sell. As I'm also a makeup artist, I did go to this amazing hair expo about a few weeks ago, and they had Crown brushes selling stuff there. So I got the chance to walk around and look at all the stores for free because I did someone's makeup. So then I also got to see what was going on at the expo for free. And I picked up this Crown brush makeup brush cleaner. I thought at first that it was a freaking brush soap thing that cleans your brushes, but then I realized it's just a spray that you spray into a tissue and then you clean your brush very quickly. So I was oh, I'm disappointed now, but oh well, at least I've got something like for on the go if I'm doing people's makeup and I need to quickly like clean the brush and put in another colour, then I've got this. But yeah, not really what I wanted. I also picked up 2 eyeliners just because I thought I really want different coloured eyeliners, purple and gold, just to like spice up my makeup looks. I'm wearing the gold one today. It's not that pigmented. It costs $6, but it's okay for what you pay for. This is what the pencil looks like. I've used it 3 or 4 times and it's already gone quite small and you can't sharpen it. I'll just show you the pigment from my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. It kind of looks like poo on my hand, but when it goes on the eye, it takes a bit of a while to build up. I thought Crown Brushes seemed like an amazing brand, but when I kind of tried this, I was a little bit disappointed. Also from Crown Brushes, I picked up this like clear travel case thingamajiggo. I freaking love this. I took it overseas to put all my brushes and makeup in and nothing broke. So I do recommend these kind of clear cases so then you can see your makeup and it keeps it really sturdy in there. I can fit probably like maybe 20 brushes and like 10 to 15 makeup items in the back bit if I wanted to. I like to spread it out, like I don't really like having it clumpy because then it bulges out and then your brushes might not be flat. But yeah, this was like I think $9, so I definitely recommend these. I only bought one, but I wish I bought more. And now I've just got a few knickknacks that I've just picked up randomly from different places. When I went to Sephora a couple of weeks ago, I was like, oh my god, I want a new liquid lipstick. I'm kind of sick of Kylie Jenner, ColourPop. I've got like those NYX lingeries, like it looks alright on, but like I'm getting sick of it kind of, like the formula is not that good when you actually use it. So I heard that Tarte lip paints were really good and I decided to pick one up. I got the shade Salty. I'll just show you guys how it looks in a swatch. So it's this pink like salmony colour. I did get a bit of a fake, oh no, not a fake tan. I actually got a real tan while I was overseas, so I'm hoping now the colour actually looks better because when I was fairer I was kind of like it doesn't look as good as what I had imagined from the swatch, but I can show you this colour in a video so then you guys can see how it actually looks on. One day I was just at Chemist Warehouse and I don't know why, I was just kind of looking for the cheap bin thingies that they've got there now, and I found this Wet Look styling gel. I've noticed that when I do a lot of like models makeup, it's like a trend now to kind of have your hair slicked back. So I was like, I kind of want to try the slicked back look for myself. I've never actually done it before. I've had this probably for about 3 weeks or 4 weeks now, and I haven't bothered using it yet, but like I do want to, because I want to see like how it looks on myself. I do like that kind of look, but I don't know, maybe I look like a greasy fuck, but meh. I think this is like $2, so yeah. Chemist Warehouse. I also got this coffee bar scrub from Chemist Warehouse. I haven't used this yet either, and I've probably had this for 2 months, but I've heard it's good, so I probably should use it. And if you fake tan, it might be like quite good to scrub off your tan with for applying a new layer. So yeah, I'll probably test this out really soon. This isn't something that I bought myself, but my mum bought me these BYS Streak Free Flawless Finish Beauty Sponge Kits. I thought, oh, they kind of look like a beauty blender, so actually look kind of cool to be honest. And I've seen these kind of squiggly different pear-shaped ones that Morphe makes. Nikki Tutorial uses them. And even these small ones I've seen too, like that people use for under their eye. So I'm kind of keen to try these out in a video. These, for all of this, it was $13, so that's not bad. Whilst I was in Greece, I went to the Nike store and I got these new Nike Pro legging thingamajigos. I'll insert a picture of what they actually look like, but they're quite good quality. They're like a legging and they feel like a tight kind of thing. But I gymmed in them the other day and they were really, really comfortable, so I'm really happy with this. And also while I was there, I got the Nike Pro with like the kind of raindrop, whatever you call it, pattern. These are actually only 3/4 lengths, but they actually look really good on. I haven't tried them at the gym yet, but I'm sure they're going to be just as comfortable when like squatting or stuff like that, especially doing leg work, that's when you kind of really feel the quality of your bottoms, because I don't know, I feel like it just kind of tests your legs more. Whereas if you're just doing arms, then the bottoms don't really matter. I also got this jumpsuit, play suit, black and white thingomajigo from this place called Bershka in Greece. I've never heard of that name before, but it's just like a black and white long pinstripe. I don't fucking know. I don't know if that's the thing, but it's like got pants down the bottom and it looked really good on, so I can't wait to wear that for spring. And that is everything that I have picked up over the last month or so. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!